TikTok maximum number of attempts error. Usually happens during login, verification, or code requests. Step 1. Wait a few minutes. This error often appears when you've entered the wrong code or tried logging in too many times. Wait 10 to 15 minutes before trying again. Step 2. Check your internet. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn airplane mode on and off. Disable any VPN, as it may block TikTok's verification servers. Step 3. Clear TikTok app cache. Open TikTok, profile, tap, menu, settings and privacy, cache and cellular, clear cache. On Android, also go to phone settings, apps, TikTok, storage, clear cache. Step 4. Update or reinstall TikTok. Go to the App Store, Google Play Store, search TikTok, tap Update. If issue continues, uninstall and reinstall TikTok. Step 5. Try a different login method. Instead of using phone email only, try logging in with username and password. Email if you tried phone, or Google's Facebook Apple ID linked to your TikTok account. Step 6. Use a different device, optional. Sometimes TikTok blocks too many login attempts from the same device. Try logging in from another phone, tablet, or PC. Step 7. Reset your password if needed. On the login screen, tap Forgot Password, reset via email or phone number. This refreshes your account security and removes lockouts. Step 8. Contact TikTok support. Open TikTok if logged in elsewhere, settings and privacy, report a problem, or visit the TikTok support page in your browser. Explain the issue. I'm getting maximum attempts error and cannot log in. After following these steps, most users can log in again without the maximum attempts error.